Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 110 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. The vehicle comes finished in the Ravenna blue metallic paint colour and features LED headlights across the front of the vehicle. Down below, the van sits on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, and as we move to the rear of the vehicle, it comes with the rear-loading barn doors. Located just below the VW badge is a rear-view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. This vehicle features only delivery miles on the vehicle, and the load area is in a factory fresh condition. There is a full steel black bulkhead, as well as a few lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. There is a step on the passenger side of the vehicle behind the single sliding door, and up front in the driver's cab or cockpit area there is a single seat with 2 armrests for the driver. The van also comes with a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. Some other notable features include 2 front heated seats, as well as the driver having access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel for a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.